hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we will look into the updates of Odoo 18.2, that is the Kanban card Mars actions. So we can select the cards to perform plus the shortcuts on the desktop. So let's move on to the contact module. In the contact module, we know we have the Kanban view, and if you want to just go to the home screen, you can just choose Alt H. This would allow you to go to the home screen of Odoo. Now let's again move on to the contact module, and when you just choose Alt C, you can easily create a new contact. So let's choose Alt C over here, and this would allow you to create a new record in the contact. Okay, so if you want to just move on to the settings of this contact, you can just choose Alt U. So let's say Alt U will open the settings of this contact, and here you can see this has just open up the list over here, where you can just can find all the actions that can be performed under this settings. Now if you want to just go to the contacts, back to the contacts, you can just choose a shortcut, that is Alt 1. So this would allow you to go back to the contact. Now, if you want to just open the configuration menu, just choose Alt 2. So you can easily open the contact module from here. And if you want to open the filter menu, either you can just go with Alt Q or Alt Shift plus Q. Okay, so I'll be using Alt Q over here. This easily opens the filter group by menu over here. Now, if you want to just switch between the previous and next contact, you can also just go with Alt P in order to get, so let me remove this, Alt P in order to get the previous contact. So as I just choose Alt P here, you can see the contact is just changing in the screen. Now if I just want to get the next contact, I'll be using Alt N, and here you can see half the contact is being switched over here. Now, likewise, we can also switch between the views. So if I just want to switch between the views, currently we know we are in the Kanban view. And if you want to just switch between the other views such as list, the activity view, or the map view and everything, we can just use the action Alt Shift V. So just use Alt Shift V, and here you can see the change. Currently we have just switched from Kanban view into the list view. Now again choose that, and we have just moved into the map view. And again when you choose Alt Shift V, you can see we have just switched to the activity view, and let's back to the Kanban view right now using the same action itself. And finally we are just going to perform the other action. If you want to open the list of companies that is configured in your database, you can simply use the action Alt Shift U. This open up the list of companies that is configured in your database. So we can only perform the Mars actions for the Kanban cards. So while using this action, always keep in mind that we can only apply this for the Kanban cards. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.